Hello, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 7 smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. Alrighty, so first of all open up the settings app. In here you want to head straight for the dual cards and mobile networks category. And in here at the very bottom of the page you'll have the default communication card section which you want to tap on, and in here simply choose the SIM card that you would like to use for calls and SMS messages or any cellular communications in general. So you can either choose the SIM card number 1, the SIM card number 2, or the smart selection, which will preferably select the previous communication card. And you can also switch the preferences for the mobile data. As you can see below, each of the SIM card will have the mobile data toggle, and once you turn on one of them, the other one gets respectively deactivated, so they are simply mutually exclusive, just like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.